Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make text black and white in Photoshop. Okay, now see this text. Okay, see this text. Click FX, gradient overlay. Then see this gradient already selected black and white. And add your position. Okay, add stroke and another way to black and white. Hold Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Double click the text, use black and right click on your mouse, convert to smart object, raster as layer, or I use a rectangle marquee tool. Click and drag it, click layer mask. Okay, hold Ctrl, select another layer for text, add stroke. You can use stroke or do not use stroke. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.